How to access your Wix website dashboard. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I'll show you all you need to know in order to access the dashboard and just walk you through where you need to go and how to manage your site and everything. So let's just go ahead and get started. So first, you will need to obviously have created your website, and then from there, you just go to wix.com. And if you only have one website, in that case, you just need to click on login on the top right. Well, in any case, you'll need to click on login and log in into your account. But if you only have one site, if you only log in, you will be there automatically. But if you have multiple, in my case, I have multiple, you will need to do another step. But anyways, in the login screen, obviously, if you did sign up with Google, you need to continue with Google. If you did sign up with Facebook or Apple, you will need to continue with them as well. But if you just signed up with your email, you will need to also just go ahead and put this in, and you will need to just continue with email. So go ahead and log in any way that you actually signed up with. In my case, I did with Google, so I'm just going to sign in using Google. Now, once we are in here, if you have, like I said before, if you have only one site, then this screen should not pop up for you. But if you have multiple, all you need to do to access the website dashboard is locate the site that you want and click on select site. And it's just going to load in your dashboard for you, which if you only had one, it's just going to load you in here automatically by itself. And basically we're pretty much set. We have our dashboard here and we can just go ahead and do whatever we want with it. So for example, we can just go ahead to our homepage, see some statistics. We can go to analytics to even have a more detailed view with when it comes to analytics and statistics. We can go to our catalog, events, whatever it may be, and we also have the main settings for our for our website, so we can add our payment methods and so on. If you want to start editing your site, you can just go and click on Edit Site, and you should be in the site editor for Wix. And now let's say you are actually in the site editor and you're trying to go back to the dashboard. In that case, it's also very simple, but let's just go ahead and wait for this to load in. So if you're in the site editor and you're trying to go back to the dashboard, all you need to do is just go ahead and hover over the Wix icon on the top left and click on Go to Dashboard, which should take you back. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you is how to go to a different site dashboard if you are in this one. So in that case, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on the name of the website that you have on the top here. And then you will find the list of all the different sites that you have on Wix. So just go and select the other one. And it's actually going to take you to that specific site. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be helpful. And thanks for watching.